Hello everyone, welcome to Taste the World channel. Happy to say this is our first video, and today we want to go to China to see what's the popular local food there. First one, Peking duck. Peking duck is a traditional dish from Beijing, China, and is considered a national dish of China. The preparation of Peking duck involves air drying the duck and then coating it with a mixture of syrup, soy sauce, and spices before roasting it in an oven. Number 2, sweet and sour pork. Sweet and sour pork is a classic Chinese dish that is popular both in China and around the world. The dish typically consists of bite-sized pieces of pork that are deep-fried until crispy and then coated in a sweet and sour sauce made from sugar, vinegar, ketchup, and other ingredients. Number 3, dim sum. Dim sum is a traditional Chinese cuisine that originated in the southern regions of China, particularly in Guangdong. It is a popular snack food served in small steamer baskets or plates and is typically eaten for breakfast or lunch. Dim sum dishes include a variety of steamed buns, dumplings, and small pastries filled with meat, seafood, or vegetables. Popular dim sum items include steamed pork buns, chow shu bao, shrimp dumplings, har gao, steamed rice noodle rolls, chung fun, and fried turnip cakes, lo bok go. Number 4, fried rice. Fried rice is a popular dish in China and many other countries in Asia. It is made by stir-frying cooked rice with a mixture of vegetables, eggs, and sometimes meat or seafood. The ingredients are usually sautéed with oil, soy sauce, and seasonings to create a delicious and flavorful dish. Number 5, kung pao chicken. Kung pao chicken is a popular dish in Chinese cuisine, originating from the Sichuan province in southwestern China. It is a spicy stir-fried dish made with diced chicken, peanuts, vegetables, and chili peppers in a sauce made from ingredients such as soy sauce, vinegar, garlic, ginger, and Sichuan peppercorns. The dish is known for its bold flavor, with a combination of spicy, sour, and sweet tastes. See more in toptravelguide.appspot.com.